Looking for the best cordless impact wrenches? In this video, we've picked the top models for automotive repairs, construction, and heavy-duty fastening jobs. These powerful tools deliver high torque, fast performance, and cordless convenience for any demanding task. Starting at number 1, BLACK+DECKER Power Drill. The BLACK+DECKER drill is a versatile and convenient tool powered by a 20-volt battery, offering a maximum rotational speed of 750 RPM and an amperage of 2 amps. It is part of the 20V Max system, designed to provide exceptional control with its 24-position clutch that helps prevent stripping and overdriving screws. The drill features a soft grip handle for added comfort during use, making it easy to maneuver. Additionally, it comes with an assortment of 30 accessories, including a drill with a bit set, battery, charger, 6 brad point drill bits, 10 1-inch screwdriving bits, 9 2-inch screwdriving bits, 4 nut drivers, and a magnetic bit tip holder, ensuring you have everything you need to complete your projects efficiently. Number 2, Ingersoll Rand 2235 TiMAX. The Ingersoll Rand 2235 TiMAX Air Impact Wrench is a high-performance tool designed for heavy-duty assembly and disassembly applications, suspension work, and industrial equipment repair. Weighing only 4.6 pounds, it boasts a lightweight design that enhances maneuverability and minimizes hand fatigue, making it easier to work longer and more efficiently. This impact wrench delivers an impressive 1,350 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, ensuring exceptional performance and control. Built for durability, its titanium hammer case and steel wear plate protect it from harsh environments and repeated drops. Each component has undergone rigorous testing to guarantee long-lasting reliability. Users can easily switch between power modes using the 4-position power regulator and adjust torque output for specific tasks, while the one-handed forward-reverse mechanism allows for quick direction changes with a simple button push. Backed by a 2-year warranty, the 2235 TiMAX Impact Wrench is a dependable choice for both auto garages and construction job sites, ensuring reliable operation in challenging working conditions. Number 3, AIRCAT Pneumatic Tools. The AIRCAT Impact Wrench is a powerful and durable automotive tool designed for maximum efficiency and comfort. Weighing only 4.5 pounds and measuring 7.5 inches in length, this compact wrench delivers an impressive 900 foot-pounds of maximum torque and 1,295 foot-pounds of loosening torque, making it ideal for various automotive tasks. It operates at a remarkable rate of 1,400 blows per minute, thanks to its hard-hitting twin hammer mechanism. The wrench features a sturdy composite housing and an ergonomically designed handle, ensuring durability and ease of use. Additionally, it includes a patented quiet-tuned exhaust system that operates at a low decibel level of 89 dBA, allowing for powerful performance without excessive noise. Overall, the AIRCAT line of power tools combines power, torque, and reduced noise levels with ergonomic designs for a superior user experience. Number 4, AVID Power Impact Wrench. The AVID Power Cordless Impact Wrench, featuring a striking dark red color, is equipped with a powerful 450N upgraded brushless motor that enhances efficiency while minimizing noise, extending the tool's lifespan and eliminating sparks or smoke during operation. Weighing 3.9 pounds and measuring 13.98 inches in length, this impact gun offers 2 variable speeds, 0 to 1900/2600 RPM, to tackle a variety of tasks, including heavy-duty jobs, while a built-in LED light illuminates dark work environments, allowing for better visibility without the need for a separate flashlight. Additionally, the tool includes a brake stop function that prevents nuts from falling off easily during removal, providing added convenience for high construction tasks. However, it's important to note that speed is not adjustable in reverse rotation. Its compact design ensures excellent control and reduced fatigue, making it ideal for applications such as repairing car tires and other DIY projects. Number 5, Neiko 10878A Impact Wrench. The Neiko Cordless Impact Wrench is a high-powered tool designed for optimal performance, featuring a robust motor that delivers an impact frequency of 0 to 3,500 BPM and a no-load speed of up to 3,000 RPM, providing a maximum torque of 300 foot-pounds. Constructed from high-grade acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS, and rubber, This impact wrench boasts an ergonomic design with a belt hook for convenient storage and a rubberized handle for a secure grip, ensuring efficient handling during automotive projects. Its compact size allows for adjustable torque control, complemented by a variable speed trigger and a forward-reverse switch for ease of use. The wrench is powered by a lithium-ion battery, equipped with an energy indicator light that displays battery levels at 100%, 75%, 50%, and 25%, and includes a fast charger capable of fully charging the battery in just 1.5 hours.